More cases of coronavirus today, raising the national caseload to 35,205. This is the second lowest number of new infections in a day, an indication that the curve could be flattening. But if there was the case, and that was the case, the country risks a spike in the number of cases as private and public political gatherings return unabated. Nancy Kimuyu reports.
Today, 151 people have tested positive from a sample size of 2,552 tested in the last 24 hours. This now brings the number of confirmed positive cases to 35,356. Our number of cumulative tests stand at 400.
September, the 9th month of the year and 179th day into the COVID-19 pandemic in Kenya. The country opened the month with 0 COVID-19 deaths and 114 cases. Over the last few weeks, the number of positive cases has been dropping significantly, with the lowest being 83, which was recorded on Sunday. The trend, according to the Ministry of Health, inspiring confidence that the curve could be flattening despite slow testing capacity due to lack of reagents. September 1st, 114 cases. September 2nd, 178 cases. September 3rd, 1,212 cases. September 4th, 179 cases. September 5th, 136 cases. September 6th, 83 cases, and September 7th, 102 cases. Although the low positive cases have been attributed to a backlog at the public testing facilities occasioned by scarcity of reagents, politicians and members of the public have already started letting down the guard.
There has been a progressive decline in the number of daily confirmed positive cases of COVID-19 nationally. This indeed is an encouraging trend that we need to sustain. Being able to monitor progress in containment of the virus is hinged upon testing.
Over the weekend, the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga visited Kakamega County to seek support for BBI amendments, and he mingled with the country's grassroots leaders who cared less about the COVID-19 guidelines. Raila too did not put on a mask the entire time of the meeting. Deputy President William Ruto has also been on a political meeting spree. He has been traversing different parts of the country, meeting with politicians, clergy, and youth groups in full disregard of the COVID-19 guidelines. The Deputy President, an adamant worshipper, has also been holding church meetings at his current residence and his Sugoi home, contrary to the Ministry of Health rules on public gathering. In his 10th COVID-19 address to the nation, President Uhuru Kenyatta ordered for the arrest of leaders who will flout the guidelines, strictly directing the National Police Service to enforce the rules. Nonetheless, the rules are being broken in full glare of the police.
That forthwith, the Inspector General of Police shall ensure that his officers spare no muheshimiwa, no individual, irregardless of social status or rank, who is either out after curfew without being an essential worker, or who flaunts the health protocols that have been set out.
Another in which the public threw caution to the wind is the Malinya bullfighting contest on Saturday. A wild crowd thronged the annual bullfighting event in Malinya Stadium in Kakamega County in full disregard of the COVID-19 guidelines. This other private political meetings are putting the country at risk of falling back to a spike in the number of COVID-19 cases. Whether the curve is falling or not, the threat of more infections is rife.
Elsewhere, the government now says it will